Hi, this is Angela from BK Ciandre. Today I'm going to show you a L-shaped kitchen design which is very fitful for big size apartments or villas. So please follow me. The design of this, we use a gray color collections, which is in the finish we use cellulosa wood board to make it very thin finish when you touch it. But here we just want to give ideas of how to allocate those space. Actually, here you can design like stove, like oven, like a coffee machine. So this you can design as you want. This want to give you just idea. And here we use our LED layers and laminate porcelain slab. But if you have a budget, you don't want to use laminate porcelain slab. We also have a very good quality Chinese porcelain slab instead of. It's also full body. It's also nice finish. But laminate is laminate. Okay, and drawers. So this. Just to give you an idea of different type of drawers collections. So here you can have a refrigerator, you can have tall basket, storage basket. So this you can design as you want. That's no problem. So this is just idea for you to design. And this base is that we want to give you ideas that we have different kind of storage for small things, for sausage, for different things. So this you can design as you want. This is an optional choice. So it depends on you. Drawers is the same. And for the LED lights, here and here, the colors we can be adjusted as you want, like white or warm colors. So the idea of this kitchen design is a L-shape, simple, but it looks very nice. Everything is hidden and everything is very tidy order. So you can have a very strong storage, but everything is nice. So if you're interested, please contact us, or you can keep follow me. Next time I'm going to introduce a U-shaped kitchen design. Okay, thank you.